Hey there, welcome to Learn Experts. In today's video, we're going to master Canva in just 15 minutes. If you're new to Canva or want a quick refresher, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll cover everything from creating your first design to adding those final touches that make your projects stand out. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's get you started on Canva. Head over to canva.com and log in or sign up for a free account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Canva dashboard. This is where all your creative magic happens. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Before we start designing, let's take a quick tour of the dashboard. On the left, you've got your main navigation menu with options like Home, Templates, Projects, and more. The center of the screen is your design workspace. And on the right, you'll find your account settings, your notifications, and this is also where you can click Create a Design to get started. Canva's got thousands of templates that make designing super easy. We have whiteboards. This can be used for your brainstorming, your flowchart, your teams, your planning. We also have presentations. We also have social media. This is where you would select your layouts or your templates for your Instagram posts, Facebook posts, LinkedIn, etc. We have videos. We also have formatted videos for horizontal and vertical type videos. We have Reels, TikTok videos, and more. We can also use Canva to find print products like business cards, invitations, postcards, etc. And you can build your website on Canva. On the More function here, there are a lot of other new options like infographics, collages, wallpapers, and book covers. Remember, you can always customize later to fit your needs, so you can select any of these templates and start with them so that you don't have to start from scratch. Now here comes the fun part, customizing your own template. Let's select a social media post. Let's go for an Instagram story. And now let's find a template that we like. I'm going to go with this template here. Canva's drag and drop feature makes it super simple. If you want to change the text, just click on it and start typing. If you need to swap out an image, no problem. Just click on the image, delete it, and put an image above it so that it replaces that image. Let's do that by going to the Elements tab, and let's find a photo or a video. So let's click Videos, and let's search for Calm Ocean. All right, and let's try to find a video that we like here that fits this saying, don't forget to take a break today. Let's use this sunset video. You can also change the position of that video, or you can also increase or resize the video if you want. So let's do that, and there we go. It's so easy to navigate, so you won't get lost doing anything on Canva. Let's nudge this a bit to the bottom here. Now, let's change the colors to match the background. So you can always type in the hex code of the color that you want, or you can select from the color palette here. You may also try to change the color by picking it from the screen. So by clicking this color picker, we can add a new color of your liking. Let's do a solid color, and let's click this eyedropper tool. Now we can find any color that we want, so let's try this bright yellow. That doesn't really fit, so let's try this deep orange or blue. There we go. You can adjust your colors, your fonts, and even the layout to make it your own. The goal is to make the template feel uniquely yours. Now, let's take your design up a notch by adding some elements. On the left side, let's click Elements, and here we can add shapes, lines, icons, and even stickers to make your design pop. So let's find a sticker. and see if we can use something here. Let's use this one. And let's change the color to this color here. And we can remove this background here by just simply deleting it. And here's the cool part. I'm going to increase this. And let's set the transparency to really low transparency. There. Make some few adjustments. There we go. Let's do a copy and paste. And let's flip this vertically and horizontally. And we don't want to cover the sun, but we also want something visually interesting in the background. So there we go. Let's put this all the way at the bottom here. You don't want to go all the way to the bottom, otherwise the social media platform that you're using, it's gonna blur that out or put something on top of it. So let's just put this somewhere here. All right, let's try playing this now. There. So by clicking on the shape that you like, or any sticker or any element that you like, you can drag it to your design and adjust the size, the color, the transparency. It's so easy, right? Now, text is a crucial part of any design, so Canva gives you a ton of options to make your text look professional. You can click on the Text tab. You can add a heading, a subheading, or a body text. Once added, you can change the font, the size, the color, and even add effects like shadows or outlines. Don't be afraid to experiment until it looks just right. So let's do some experimentation here. I'm going to click on this text and I'm going to change the font to something within the brand kit. So I'm going to use this font here. That's the Cormorant font, and I'm going to experiment with the line spacing and the letter spacing. So here it's set to -53. So I'm going to take this just a bit further. There we go. And we want to change this to another font, which is this one. And alright, if you're happy with that, you can simply save this or share this to your social media, or you can save this as an MP4 video file. Now, photos can really elevate your design. You can also use frames to change how a photo looks like. So I'm going to delete these, and I'm going to try putting in a frame. So let's find that under the elements, and let's just type in the word in all caps, frames. So here we have this frames icon, and it's a really good hack for people who want some design to their photos. So for example, this torn paper, there we go. All right, so because we have a frame here, we can also add an image just above this so that it adapts to that frame. So let's find an image here. Let's put in the word meditation. All right, and let's find someone here that's meditating. And there we go. So it looks like torn paper in the background. Right, now you can resize this however way you want. Let's do that. All right, now it has a bit of a dramatic feel to it. Now, you can also apply filters, adjust brightness, contrast, and more. So let's do that by clicking on the image, and you can simply click Edit Image. And you can make adjustments by clicking it here on Adjust. So we can change the temperature, the tint, the lightness, the brightness, and the contrast, and anything we want to make this photo visually appealing or to our liking. Now that your design is coming together, let's add some finishing touches. Maybe a tweak in the alignment. We can add a border. We can include a logo if you want. So you can find that under your brand kit. So we have your logos, your headings, etc. So let's use this one. Great. That's a logo that you can put on your design. Here's a pro tip. You can go into the edit image, and if you want all of this to be turned to white, you can select an effect here called duotone. Now, you can click the custom effect, and we have highlights and shadows. And if you set all of this to white, then the full design becomes white. Or you can set this to black so that you have a full solid black color to your design. Just a pro tip. Okay. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to save and download your work. Click on the download button on the share button, download, and you can save it as a video, or you can save it as a still image. Let's see how it looks like by clicking on this. Nice. And that's it. In just under 15 minutes, you've mastered the basics of Canva. Whether you're creating designs for personal use or your small business, Canva has all the tools you need to create something amazing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like, comment below with your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more Canva tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!